Welcome back, guys. We're playing another episode of Jason. Today we are playing Fishing Planets. We are at Colorado, Rocky Lake. Today I'm going to be catching for trout. You see where, I'm fishing where these rocks are. They're all around here. I'm going to cast about this far. Well, like right there. I am using shrimp with a 10, 8 size hook. So let's just wait till we get a bite and see what we can catch in, what type of species we have.
Shot clock forward. Gives it to Fareed. Swatted away by Amir Johnson. 8 seconds. Terrence Ross. Kenneth Fareed with the throwdown. Terrence Ross.
So yeah, guys, we are waiting. Yeah, guys, we got a fish. It's pretty big if it's just gonna keep going on. Yeah, we did catch a rainbow trout. Beautiful size rainbow trout. Oh, guys. Yeah, it just messed up my computer. I'm sorry, guys. So yeah, guys, I'll be back when it's load. So yeah, guys, we are back. I had to my thing stopped working. So yeah, we were out trout glory in Colorado Rocky Lake. So let's get back to trout fishing. So yeah, guys, you know we were fishing right about over here. There he is. So yeah, we were catching trout right out in here. We are still waiting for a catch. We already caught one in the video. You can go back to like 1 minute and 30 seconds. I think about right there. So yeah, guys, I am gonna post another video today, or early on today. I'm gonna post 2 videos today. So yeah, guys, we haven't got a bite yet.
Get those goosebumps every time. I need time. Know that you hey, Trent, expose it. Oh yeah, Trent, expose. Expose, Trent. Oh!
yeah, guys. It happened again, guys. I'm sorry. It's just my computer. So yeah, guys, we are back. So yeah. So yeah, guys, we have a trout on. You guys can see. We caught a Colorado golden trout. Pretty decent. Cost me. I got $52, and I just leveled up. Let's go, guys. $1,500 plus one fish token. So let's go. We need to go back into my inventory. Go to our baits. Let's try mayflies. I'm sure these will work.
Leave him right there. Leave him right there. Leave him right there.
Guys, we caught a rainbow trout. Pretty good size. Next video, I may be going for catfish. I'm sure. So yeah, guys, we are gonna go back to the normal lure for about like 2 minutes. Then I'm gonna have to end the video. So yeah, about right there, that's pretty good. I messed up. Hit the wall, guys. So I'm gonna have to cast over here somewhere. Just gonna do a normal reel. So yeah, guys, at least we caught some trout here. At least we got trout here. Pretty good. I am, next video we are gonna do, catfishing. I know where they're at. Texas. Yeah, guys, we just have a fish on. Probably gonna be like a black crappie, but I don't care. At least it's just a fish. Yeah, it's a black crappie. Actually, it's not. Yeah, actually, it's my bad. So this is it for the end of the video, guys. I hope you subscribe and like my videos, and give a shout out to Fortnite Battle Royale. Give a shout out to them. Peace out, guys.